If you are looking forward to making money through cryptocurrency, or you are already trading as an expert or a beginner, there is something I want to share with you. I was scrolling through YouTube and I saw this video that talks about how you can make $400,000 with $100. And I was really marveled. I was so curious and I needed to go listen to it. Now, some of these videos are going to teach you some things that, instead of implementing it to make money, you're going to get it wrongly and will make you even lose more money, which is why I want to explain some basic things. Before I do that, I would want to play this video to us and, have us watch it before I tell us what you need to do right and what not to do as soon as you see videos like this.
Make $400,000 trading cryptocurrencies. To get started, there are prerequisites, 5 of them. There are 5 things you need to know first. One is risk management. What is your risk amount? How do you place your stop loss? What leverage are you going to use? And position size. 2 is risk to reward ratio. Then trading strategy. Are you using price action, smart money concept, ICT, or algorithmic trading, or whichever trading strategy you use? 3 is trading plan. What time of the day are you trading and what days of the week do you trade? And 5 is consistency. You have to maintain consistency with this your plan, whether you're winning or you're losing. It is very important to maintain consistency. Now, if you have not acquired these 5 prerequisites, I will show you where to get the education from at the end of this video. If you're already a good trader, you will learn how to use the strategy I'll be showing you to make even much more money. So, how much and how long will it take to make $400,000 trading cryptocurrencies? The secret is accumulation. If you can say it with me, say it with me. Again, it is accumulation. I will start with $100 and apply accumulation to it. Let me show you what I mean. Now, my capital is $100 and I am risking 5% of this for each trade. That is $5. So if I make a loss, I lose $5 for each trade. And when I win multiples of $5. And let's say that each month I'm taking 20 trades. Now, for cryptocurrencies, it is easy to find 20 trades a month if you're trading just Monday to Friday. Sometimes you can even find 2 trades in a particular day. Now, my risk reward ratio is 1:2. Again, when I lose $5. That is my risk. And when I win $10 if I'm using a risk reward ratio of 1:2. And let's say I'm just a new trader. I'm not a perfect top grade trader. I only win 40% of my trades and lose 60% of my trades. So for the 20 trades, I'm only winning 8 of the 20 trades and losing 12 of the trades. And this is my profit and loss. And I'm looking at how I'm trading for 12 months, January to December. Now, for January, I took 20 trades. I won each of them. But for each trade, I am winning $10. For January, my win for January is $80 because 8 times 10 is 80. And my losses is $60 because I lost 12 trades, but I'm only losing $5 per trade. So 5 times 12 is 60. So my profit and loss is $20, which means that even though I made more losses than wins, I still made $20 in January. So at the end of January, my capital for the next month is $120. That is 20 plus 100. And for next month, I'll be risking 5% of 120, which is $6. So my risk is now $6 and my wins reward is $12. Let's look at what happened in February. For February, again, since it's $12, 8 times 12 will give me 96, and losses 12 times 6 will give me 72. My profit and loss for January is $24, and my capital for the next month, which is March, is $144, and my risk is $7. Now let's fast forward to November. For November, you can see that I'm risking $31 and my reward is $62. And my capital at the end of November is now $743. And for December, my capital at the end of December is $892. So you can see that I started with $100 and I'm ending with $892. But you will say, Jude, this is not the $400,000 you said we're going to make. But if you have maintained consistency with this, you can now improve on two things. You can improve either on your win rate or your risk to reward ratio. Let's say for the following year, you have improved on your win rate because you're consistently trading. It means that you have trained your eyes. You can now take more accurate trades. So for the following year, let's say you have become so good now that you can now spot a risk reward ratio of 1:3 because you can better place your entry and better place your stop loss. And in my group, the signals I give are 1:3 or more. So we're increasing our risk reward to 1:3, which means that when I lose $5. When I win $15. So for January, my wins gives me $150. My losses takes away $50 from me, and I'll have a profit and loss of $100. My capital for February will be $200, and my risk for next month is double the risk of the other month, which is $10. Let's see how this performs to the end of the year. Guys, you can see that by December we have $409,600. So by improving on two things, our win rates just 50-50 and our risk reward ratio to 1:3, we can grow $100 to $409,600. Let's say that.
I believe you've heard everything he said, and I want us to be honest with ourselves. Do you think $100 can make you $400,000 in cryptocurrency? Well, I doubt that. See, if you want to make money through cryptocurrencies, it is very essential that you learn risk management, you learn, different strategies, and try to stick with the ones that works. Okay, it is very important that you also get your trading rules. Okay, consistency is really very vital. But you see, all of these things are knowledge that you're supposed to get while trading. In one of my videos, I taught us 2 ways to start trading cryptocurrency. Is that you start by learning the fundamentals and everything that has to do with cryptocurrencies, then you implement and start trading, or you go straight into learning how to buy and sell. You start trading. Along the line, you can begin to, go read about these things and get the knowledge. Either way, you're going to make money. Okay, it depends on how serious and consistent you are. But how much you're going to make is relative. Don't allow anybody deceive you into using $100 and hoping to make $400,000. Developers are not here to, help you make money. Exchanges are not here to help you make money. You have to take that out of your mind, okay? They are here for their business. So whoever is coming to teach you, or whoever is coming up with a new project, telling you this project is solid, can do this and can do that, is only after their pockets. Binance, KuCoin, just mention them. Bybit, they are all after their pockets. So in crypto space, you are on your own. Nobody has ever made it big in the crypto space or in the financial space without taking high risk. I'm telling you the truth. There are a lot of crypto traders in this space and a lot of good crypto traders, to be honest with us. But you will agree with me that not everybody is so rich. Yes. The amount you make, no matter your knowledge, is greatly dependent on how much you're trading with. So if you want to make $400,000, I'm telling you, you're going to have to put as much as that, because while you are waiting to make 100% per trade, 50%, there's somebody who is trading with $1 million and is going to be cashing out with just 5% or 10% increments in the market. So it becomes more difficult for even traders with small accounts to gain anything significant. So at the end of the day, you see yourself moving in circles and your portfolio is not increasing. Even if it is increasing, you're going to be seeing, a very minimal growth, and it is really frustrating. If you want to be a full-time trader, you have to, consistently learn this thing and implement strategies that will work for you. Get the knowledge and seek for the funds. This is the most important thing. Don't want to flip your $50 to $1,000 or $2,000. If you can flip $50 to $100, it simply means you'll be able to flip $500,000 to $1 million account. And that is how it simply works. Your consistency should be in making small profits. Forget about the plans, forget about the strategies, forget about everything you've learned about rules and the rest. Those things are to help you start. By the time you become a full-time trader, you're going to understand the importance of funds. It is very, very, very important. So I'm just going to advise us that some of us who will be coming here don't have this mindset of flipping your $1,000 or your $100 into $400,000. I wonder how long it's going to take you. Like, I really wonder how many years it's going to take you to get that, especially for the fact that we are in a volatile market. I really cannot relate to that. If you're interested in learning cryptocurrency, I have put out here a lot of videos that will teach you from the scratch and various ways you can make money through cryptocurrency. Either you want to be a sports trader, or you want to be a professional trader, if you want to be a staker, or you just want to be an investor. I've talked about many of these things, and I'm sure it will benefit you. If you're not subscribed to my channel, it would really be nice if you do that, because I come up here to tell you, what to buy and what to sell per time. I give free signals. You can also join my free Telegram group where I give daily signals. I tell us what to buy and sell per time, and well, it's been profitable thus far. All right. Thank you, and thank you for watching.